Today, I got a message yesterday from Johnny from Auto Body Creations, and I'm actually gonna be able to pick up my 2005 SLK55 codename SCHNEIDER, and I'm finally excited. For one, I get to clear out my storage area and pretty much get all these pieces out, and two, I get to install all the goodies. And one that I got recently, I don't know if you guys remember, but Maxim from Revoltech was making me a wheel for the SLK. Nothing crazy, nothing flashy, just something simple and solid to go with the look, because the stock wheel wasn't going to cut it. And I wanted to show it to you guys. Today's the day that I finally get to pick up SCHNEIDER, and ignore the hair. I was pretty much bored, COVID-19, staying at home type of thing. I've never colored my hair before. The girls wanted to color my hair. I let them. They fucked it up. But hey, live and learn. All right, and there it is. And obviously, it looks nice. He put a nice cover over it, just a good padding so I can grip it. I'm just joking. That's not what it looks like. The real wheel is underneath. Obviously, it's from a stock platform. I'm going to be modifying or attempting to modify and add these carbon fiber paddles that he also provided for me to get rid of these buttons. It should be able to do. I just got to do the wiring up, change some of the pin setups. They're a little different as from the others. Pin placements, pretty much. Do a little tests. And of course, mounting them. They do require a screw bit, which I can easily adapt to this wheel. If I flip it around, you'll see what I'm talking about. I just gotta run a stud through so it has a connecting point, and I can screw it in from the back. And once it's in place, I can seal up the rest. It's gonna be a little thing. I'm gonna try it out, see what I can do. Worst case is, doesn't work. Oh well, no biggie. But here's the wheel. I'm going to take it off. Obviously, I went with the carbon fiber finish. Since my interior is still somewhat silver in the inside, I want to keep it the same. So I did a silver band down the center. And standard perforated leather. I didn't go with nothing too flashy. And obviously silver stitching to match the silver stripe and the rest of the interior. And I went with the flat bottom. More aggressive appeal. Matches my track setup in a sense, and it's a very beautifully built simplicity at its finest right here. Nothing too crazy, and it looks amazing. Can't argue with it. Very clean, very good contouring on the stitching, perfectly molded all the way through. So it flushes evenly. There's no shortcuts here. It's all the way molded through, which is really, really good. The weave is consistent, not overly stretched or patched. I'm happy with it. I'm pretty excited. And that's the wheel right there. That's going to be like the finishing touch to the whole SCHNEIDER concept. And obviously we still got, if you watch my other videos, we have pretty much everything from coilovers, new side mirror updates, pretty much all the components for the brake system, spark plugs, pulleys, every damn part that I have here for the vehicle. I'm going to be replacing gasket seals, and obviously a new set of tires, wider tires. And yeah, and obviously I'm going to be performing a brake bleed because I'm going to be switching to Moly 660. And I'm going to be replacing the whole setup and the whole brake fluid system. This is going to be more adaptive for stop and go. So when I do, put those brakes to the test, they'll be able to handle for heat, if heat is the issue. And obviously I'm going to be painting my calipers. I was going to powder coat them and do them a little more professionally, but I'm on a budget. There's only so much I can do. I'm not made out of money. Wish I was, because I'd be doing a lot more than what I'm doing now. But I'm doing what I can. I know a lot of you in the same situation. Do what you can and take pride in it. So I'm going to be painting the calipers. I'm going to be doing a quick video on that. And I'm going to strip those down, take them off from the vehicle. All right, so we're going to be in the process of pretty much putting everything back. Well, not everything. We need to get this vehicle from Auto Body Creations back to where I live. So we need to make it roadworthy or semi-roadworthy. Gonna have to put the tail lamps back on, install the seats, seat belt harness, and give it a little cleaning on the driver's side. Now all of this is mainly because of me, but I'm going to give it a quick vacuum and clean it all up. As you can tell, you can see all the components right here in the back, all painted and sitting and waiting so I can install them at home. I'm going to have a lot of work cut out for me today. I have a huge list to go over for Schneider, and it's going to take a good minute for me to do everything on video, but I'm going to try to capture as much of it as possible. Pretty much I purchased these updated side mirrors. They're obsidian black. They came like this, and the paint is really, really good. Good quality. But that's going to be the next phase. Like and subscribe if you like pretty much the little content that I'm dishing out here and there. It supports me. I already hit 500 subscribers, which is awesome. I've pretty much gained like probably 140 within the past month, which is pretty good. I think that's pretty good. I'm starting to see a little bit of an upward trend. So I guess there's some people that are still interested in this platform, even though it's about 15 years old. A lot of modifications that I still need to do: coilovers, brake setup, brake fluid, brake lines, and partial suspension, and then the wheels and tires. But yeah, this is Panzer. You guys take it easy.